You know it's Volcano, yeah?
Where?
This is Volcano.
Here?
This is Volcano, yeah? It's,
Okay.
you didn't know that?
I know Akaroa is a volcano.
Huh?
Akaroa
No,
is
no,
a
that's Volcano.
here.
Yeah. So it can blow up anytime.
But it's connected to the sea, right?
Yeah, so that is a crater of Volcano.
Okay.
So Volcano blow up and then water come over.
Oh, yeah, yeah.
So that's Volcano. Lyttelton Volcano.
Well, Lyttelton is another side, right?
No, Lyttelton here.
Here.
Behind that hill. So next, so if we can keep walking, we come to the Lyttelton. Look, we should do it in the morning.
We will have our chance next week or next 2 weeks.
Okay, okay.
Yeah, this is definitely better than Mount Olympus and Mount Thomas.
Better?
Yeah, much better. The view is much better.
Yeah. Let's do it every week then. No, it's just morning, wake up, okay. It's 2 hours walk or run, morning run. Another station. You never been here?
No.
So we can even ride bike here if you wish. So next time we can, would you like to ride bike? We can ride bike instead of walking. I have 2 bikes.
I think walking is better.
Better, okay. Oh, such a beautiful day, huh?
Yeah.
Man, Jean, we need to go to Mount Aspiring. When you go home, did you book your flight back to Hong Kong?
No, not yet. It's too soon.
So which month you think you go?
Go home, you mean?
Yeah.
Maybe I think I hope maybe February in next year.
Ah, February.
Maybe, yeah.
Ah, good. Then we go Mount Aspiring.
Mount Aspiring is such too challenging for me.
Nah.
It's a 3-day walk.
Yeah.
Oh,
It's lifetime experience.
I know.
You would love it.
But
You would love it.
I love sleeping in my own bed. I want a hot shower.
When you see Mount Aspiring, you don't want a shower, trust me. Mount Aspiring, it's something very special. Should we go around? Do you want to go there to have a look, or no? We just go there.
We just this side, right?
Okay, okay. That's how it goes.
Yeah.
But it's good just a view. You don't want to now.
Because it's getting windy.
No, not today.
Not today.
Yeah, okay. You see, I follow your lead.
Yeah.